What if I told you that invisible internet money turned a $100 investment into $1 million? That's crypto, and it's either the greatest financial revolution ever or the biggest scam in history. Let's find out. First, let's talk about money. Money is just a shared agreement. You work, I give you paper, you trust that paper has value. But who controls that paper? The government. And they can print more whenever they want. In 2008, someone called Satoshi Nakamoto, nobody knows who, said, "What if money had no middleman, no banks, no government, just math?" And they invented Bitcoin. Bitcoin runs on something called a blockchain. Think of it like a public notebook. Every transaction ever made is written in this notebook. Thousands of computers around the world have a copy. You can't cheat it. But who writes in this notebook? Miners. They're people with powerful computers solving complex math puzzles. First one to solve it gets to add the next page and earns Bitcoin as a reward. In 2010, someone bought 2 pizzas for 10,000 Bitcoin. Those pizzas are now worth hundreds of millions of dollars. Bitcoin went from basically zero to over $100,000 per coin. Then everyone wanted a piece, so thousands of new cryptocurrencies appeared. Ethereum, Dogecoin, Shiba, Inu. Some were brilliant, most were trash. But crypto is volatile. In 2022, the market lost $2 trillion in value. People lost their life savings overnight. If it goes up 10 times, it can also go down 10 times. So, is crypto real money? Some countries accept it. El Salvador made Bitcoin legal currency. Others banned it. Big companies like Tesla hold it. But your local sandwich shop? Probably not taking it yet. Crypto is real. It's not going away. But it's also risky, confusing, and full of scams. The rule: never invest more than you're willing to lose completely. Now you understand crypto. You're welcome.